Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we'll be learning how to multiply any number with 999. In this example, 69 times 999. Step 1. Insert a separator before the hundreds place or hundreds digit of the multiplicand. So since 69 is only a two-digit number, we'll represent the hundreds and thousands place with 00. So that becomes 0069. And the separator will be between the zeros. Step 2, add 1 to the number before the separator. 0 plus 1 equals 1. Step 3. Subtract the sum from the multiplicand. This gives the left side of the answer. So 69 minus 1 equals 68. Step 4. Subtract the last digit from 1000. This gives the right side of the answer. So 1000 minus 69 equals 931. And that gives us 68,931. And that's the final answer. So 69 times 999 is 68,931. See how easy that is? Try it yourself. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.